Hey, what's going on, y'all? It's Pete Olson, the Montana Silver Stacker. Happy Tuesday, the 6th of February. I've got a great video for you guys today, an unboxing. It is a big order, guys. A big order, 189 rounds, a $3,500 order. Just all the same coin, so I'm going to break out one of them, but you can kind of see. Huge order. So let's take a look. You can see all this, guys. Can you see all that? Boom, boom. 189 rounds. That's a wonderful thing. All bought out of profit, not out of pocket, from MintBuilder, guys. All for free for me. And you know, that's a wonderful thing. So let's take a look at the round that I got, 189 of them. Love it. It's a beautiful, beautiful round. I'm going to put it up close for you, okay? So you can see that. And this is called, guys, the Highland Mint Indian Head Design 1 ounce silver round, okay? So what is Incuse? The Incuse Indian Head Design silver rounds are quite unique in how they are designed. Most coins are designed in raised, I guess you could say, relief, which means that you can run a finger across the design and you can feel the letters, you can feel the numbers, other design elements poking out at you. Incuse relief is just the opposite. The design features are sunken into the coin so that the area around the design elements, the field, is the highest part of the design. Isn't that cool? Creating designs like this is challenging for not only the artist who sculpts a design, but also for the mint, in that their thinking has to be reversed in making sure a quality piece is put out. Think of it as having to write backwards. We know that wouldn't be easy, right? That would not be easy. So the Incuse Indian Head designs, beginning in 1907, the coinage of the United States went through a drastic reform inspired by President Theodore Roosevelt. He gathered artists together who could sculpt his distinctively Native American designs into coins we could spend. One such artist was Boston native Bella Lyon Pratt, who was hired to create the designs for the $2.50 and $5 Indian gold coins. The designs were a huge departure from typical coin designs in that the entire portrait sat below the level of the negative space in the design, or, as we said before, the field. Pratt's design was considered attractive by many, but collecting interest did not rise significantly until after the repeal of the gold recall in 1974. This specifically crafted Indian head design 1 ounce silver round was created by the Highland Mint with precise quality to honor Pratt's out-of-the-box thinking and design skills. The Highland Mint has been serving collectors since the early 1980s, okay? The Highland Mint is a full-service mint located in Melbourne, Florida. They have produced hundreds of minted products and also carry licenses for a number of sports and other entities to produce and distribute products bearing their branding. So on this side, guys, you can see the eagle with silver bullion round up top, 0.999 fine silver, and then 1 troy ounce at the bottom. Can you see that? And then on this side is the Indian head with all the stars lining the edge. It is a beautiful design. But how cool is that to have, and it's really weird feeling to have the Incuse. As we talked about, the Incuse is where you have the flat surface, and the design of it is actually below the surface. There's nothing that's protruding out, if you will. You can't feel it. It's below the surface. I've never seen a silver round like this. An absolutely beautiful round. And guys, I got these 189 silver bullion rounds, compliments of MintBuilder. MintBuilder is the world's first and only silver gold Bitcoin network marketing company in history, where you can get at cost silver, guys, at cost silver and gold rounds with getting into MintBuilder, that you can purchase with Bitcoin if you so choose, or some other way with credit card, but you can use Bitcoin, and then when you get paid, they'll pay you in Bitcoin if you so choose, or they'll put money on your debit card, send you a check, etc., etc., or you can just buy silver like I do, right out of the back office, out of your commissions. So all this silver, guys, all this silver, I didn't pay a dime for it. It all came out of profits, never out of my pocket. So, guys, as a big leader there in the company, if you're looking for a phenomenal opportunity, click on that link below, okay? Watch the video, and then get hold of me at the number below in the description. You can call me, you can email me, and I can help you, make a phenomenal income monthly doing what you already love to do: stack silver and gold, stack Bitcoin, right? Collect Bitcoin, especially at these prices. Such a great buy right now in Bitcoin. But silver and gold, the mainstay, 5,000-year track record, getting them at cost pricing. And you know what? I'm getting them for free because I'm buying everything out of commission. So I appreciate it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Please share it with others if you felt it gave value. Please subscribe. And I'd like to hear in the comments below what your favorite silver rounds are. What did you like best about what you saw here in this particular video? Okay, God bless you guys. Have a great Tuesday. Again, I look forward to hearing from you about the phenomenal opportunity with MintBuilder. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.